to Defqon.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lexi and I missed you guys. I had been on vacation. A lot of crazy things have been going on, but now I have a bunch of content to share with you guys. Today is going to be dedicated to the road to Defqon, which if you don't know, Defqon is a huge hardstyle festival in Amsterdam. I'm going to be going for the first time and I've been wanting to go to this festival for 7 years and I'm here to document my experience. I'm definitely thinking of making a playlist and just sharing it with you guys because it has just been such a long time me experiencing hardstyle at a festival, let alone it being the main festival that genre plays at. So sit back, relax. Hey guys, I'm feeling not that great, but this is a video to myself that I am going to perfect my high knees for Defqon. It is not a threat, it is a promise. So let me know what the best conditioning for high knees is because I'm going to keep myself accountable and I'm going to do it to some of my favorite hardstyle songs. So leave me some comments, baby.
Get up, get out, get motivated. Lex, you can do this, girl. Yay! It's affiliate time. First off, this is Happy Caps. See, they have little mushrooms in the eyes, and it's so amazing and cute and amazing. Sojourner bags is always my go-to. They have cute fanny packs. They have cute hydration packs. It's a vibe, and you can put your own stickers on any of them. My baby headbanger Rave wear with Defqon.1 you can save some money on. Yay!
Tell how amazing a magazine is going to be if it smells good. This smells. You want a whiff, babe? Dear dedicated member, with 100,000 visitors from around the world and thousands of builders, creatives, workers, and artists, Defqon.1 is home to countless legendary stories. With the dedicated magazine, we set out to capture some of those tales and some that last. Not just a fleeting moment on your phone, but a tangible crafted product that holds your attention and invites you to dive in deeper. Over the past few months, our team has been working around the clock to create a memorable first edition that will hopefully serve as the starting point of a beautiful collection. Because as always, we only just begun. While you're reading this, we're already working on the second edition that will let you relive your upcoming Defqon.1 adventure in a whole new way. We hope you enjoy reading the first edition as much as we enjoyed creating it for you. Thank you for your everlasting dedication, and we cannot wait to see you at Defqon.1. And if you can't make it, no worries, because we'll be live streaming Defqon.1 on YouTube once again.
All of my Hardstyle family on YouTube, please say hello. I would love to hear from you. I would love to hear any tips, any songs that I can use for my HIIT workout for the high knees conditioning, anything that I can listen to for the way and the road to Defqon on my playlist. It would be absolutely appreciated. This is my first Defqon, so it's going to be amazing to hear what you guys have to say. And, you know, as a raver that's been in the scene since 2016, we always have learning experiences, and I definitely want to hear that with you guys. And I'm going to try to be more prominent on here. I know that we had the pop-up and everything, which I cannot wait to tell you guys about. And yeah, a bunch of different things in store for this page and personal endeavors that I'm so excited to share with you guys. And I'm going to be able to show you some cool content and some cool things based on whether or not you can go to a festival or a rave right now. So I hope you guys enjoy that. That's going to be in my next video, along with budgeting and planning where we're going to be staying, where we're going to be going for the week. So I'm excited to bring that to you guys, and thank you. Thank you guys so much for watching the Road to Defqon unboxing with me. The next video is going to go around budgeting, travel, and what we're going to do while we're in Amsterdam for the next week. So thank you so much for taking time to watch my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, stay vibrant, stay amazing, be you. Don't let anybody bring you down. And we got this. Road to Defqon, baby. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.